Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out. 2026 Brinkley Model Z. It's a 2900, and we'll get inside here in a second. Just want to show you the pass-through storage. And we have tandem axle. Got a lot of noise in the background. They're grinding a tree stump or something. We do have exterior storage here, and then on the other side, the off-camp side, we have the docking station. Let's get inside where it's a little bit quieter. There's the 2900 badging. So right away when you come in, you're greeted by a great place to set items down, plug-in items. We have the pantry with the famous plug for your blender or margarita machine. French door refrigerator, center island, 3-burner, very nice 3-burner cooktop oven. Then we have the work desk area as well as dining, theater seating for your televator, fireplace. Check this out. You have the pet feeding and watering area. We have an ottoman, and this tabletop comes up that you can use it as a dining area. Fold out couch. We have tables on each side. Let me show you this one. I've got it popped up. So we have your USB and then plug in. I already mentioned the fireplace and the televator. We'll slide our way up to the bathroom and the master bedroom area. And here is the bathroom, and I'll show you that from the other side so I'm not interfering with your view and being in the video. So we have cabinets above. We have cabinets on both left and right, as well as countertop plugs. So if you have a, God forbid, if you have an alarm clock, CPAP machine, HVAC, flat screen TV, plenty of storage here for your hang-up clothes, as you can see, and it does go through. Then we have a bank of 4 drawers that are very deep, as you can see. Here's the bathroom area, very nice. We have exhaust. We also have the skylight that gives you additional headroom for taller folks. Your commode, nice cabinet here. We also have cubby at the bottom. We have your shower head, shower wand, jets on the side, baskets for your soap and washcloth, nice mirror setup, ducted HVAC, hooks for your bathroom. We'll go back down the hallway and get a vantage point from here. So 2026 Brinkley 2900. I failed to mention this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.